In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PDF in Notion. If you want to bring a PDF file into your Notion workspace so you can keep your documents organized in one place, this process is very simple. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. First, open Notion and go to your home dashboard. This is the main area where you can access your pages, documents, and workspace options. Make sure you're on the dashboard before moving on, because the import feature we need is accessed from there. Once you're on the home dashboard, look down to the bottom right corner of the screen and click the three dots. This opens an options menu with additional actions you can take inside Notion. If you don't immediately see it, take a second to scan the lower right area carefully. From that menu, click on Import. This is the tool Notion uses to bring outside content into your workspace. It supports different kinds of files and services, so this is the section where you'll begin uploading your PDF. After the import window opens, find the option labeled PDF under File-Based Imports and click it. This tells Notion exactly what type of file you want to add, which helps the platform handle the document correctly. Next, click on Choose Files. This will open your device's file browser where you can search through your folders and locate the PDF you want to upload. If your file is easier to find from your desktop, Downloads folder, or Documents folder, you can go there directly to save time. Now select the PDF from your device, click on the file you want, and confirm your selection in the file browser. Before moving ahead, it's a good idea to double check that you picked the correct document, especially if you have several similar file names saved on your computer. Once your file has been selected, click Continue. This confirms the import and allows Notion to upload the PDF into your workspace. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a few moments, so give it a little time if needed. And that's it. Your PDF should now be added to Notion. This is a useful way to keep important reference materials, forms, notes, or reading documents inside the same system where you manage the rest of your work. If you want to stay organized, consider placing imported PDFs into the right page or workspace section right after uploading them so they're easy to find later.